Erica Heslop Martin, and welcome to our Heart NSTA Trust video presentation on Prepare for Environmentally Sustainable Work Practices. By the end of the video, you should be able to identify industry environmentally sustainable information, identify environmentally sustainable work practices. Throughout the video, you will be exposed to the following employability skills: collect, analyze, and organize information, communicate ideas and information, plan and organize activities, work with others in team, use mathematical ideas and techniques, solve problems, and use technology. In this segment, we will discuss how to identify industry environmentally sustainable information. Resource efficiency is very important when thinking about being environmentally sustainable. It also means using the Earth's limited resources in a sustainable manner while minimizing impacts on the environment. Businesses will generate waste in many forms, which will have a negative impact on the environment and human health. It is environmentally responsible for organizations to identify the aspects of their operations that generate waste and implement measures to minimize or eliminate these wasteful practices. As a warehouse quality clerk, you must be knowledgeable about the types of waste in warehouses. Let's take a look at each. Liquid. This waste includes dirty water, organic liquids, wash water, waste detergents, and even rainwater. Solid. Plastic, paper or cardboard, tins and metals, ceramics, and glass. Industrial. Waste generated by manufacturing or industrial processes. Recyclable rubbish. Recyclable rubbish includes all waste items that can be converted into products that can be used again. Solid items such as paper, metals, furniture, and organic waste can all be recycled. Hazardous. Hazardous waste includes all types of rubbish that are flammable, toxic, corrosive, and reactive. Employees have a duty to adhere to workplace procedures and policies that seek to create a safe and environmentally friendly workspace. Here are a few points to consider. Carry out work operations to meet or surpass applicable environmental laws. Work in partnership with customers and suppliers to promote the environmentally safe handling and disposition of hazardous material. Update training in and knowledge of environmentally efficient use of processes. Follow environmental emergency response plans. Report all identified hazards using established procedures. Ensure that all reasonable steps are taken to prevent accidents. Report all workplace accidents to relevant personnel immediately. Attend all safety meetings. Participate or contribute to the development of safe and environmentally friendly workplace practices and procedures. Let's review what we have done so far. We looked at how to identify industry environmentally sustainable information, as well as identifying different types of waste. In our next segment, we will discuss how to identify environmentally sustainable work practices. Environmental sustainability needs to be incorporated into corporate strategies and reflect in the organization's business goals. This means making it a priority in every aspect of the operations. Here are some benefits when implementing environmentally sustainable practices. Reduce energy-related costs. Energy and water costs are prime concern for organizations. Focusing on improvements can reduce these expenses. Often, these improvements are realized as annual savings as opposed to quicker, short-term cost reductions. Reduce waste. By implementing the 3 R's, reuse, recycle, and repurpose, companies can eliminate or minimize waste. Reduce carbon footprint. By implementing changes, you will have a smaller carbon footprint and reduce the number of toxins released into the atmosphere. Future generations ultimately benefit from improved air and water quality, fewer landfills, and more renewable energy sources. Cost saving. Saving can be realized from using eco-friendly or energy-efficient equipment, eliminating wasteful practices. Let's recap what we've covered for this video presentation. We just looked at how to identify industry environmentally sustainable information and environmentally sustainable work practices. The critical employability skills that were covered include collect, analyze, and organize information, communicate ideas and information, plan and organize activities, work with others in a team, use mathematical ideas and techniques, solve problems, and use technology. Thank you for watching this video presentation on Prepare for Environmentally Sustainable Work Practices. I hope that you found the information useful. Until next time, I am Erica Heslop Martin.